What's going on? So today we got a video from Code Blue Cam, and the title of the video is "Here's Why Your McDonald's DoorDash Order Never Shows Up." Man, I don't know about you, but DoorDash has gotten crazy expensive, man. But anyway, let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about.
Get up, ground!
The person seen fleeing the scene here is Jelen. This is not his car, but as officers race after him in hot pursuit, they will learn that this stolen vehicle will become the least of their concerns.
You're gonna get shot, dude! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! And you had a gun on you. Allegedly.
On April 6, 2025, at approximately 12:46 p.m., officers from the Wauwatosa Police Department in Wisconsin respond to an area for a 2022 black Honda Accord reported stolen from the Milwaukee Police Department. As one of the officers spots the same car heading towards a McDonald's in a nearby complex, he begins to follow it with coordinating an action plan with a backup officer en route to the scene.
Wait, hold on. He stole a car from the police department? What?
Officers from the Wauwatosa Police Department in Wisconsin respond to an area for a 2022 black Honda Accord reported stolen from the Milwaukee Police Department. As one of the officers spots the same car heading towards a McDonald's in a nearby complex, he begins to follow it with coordinating an action plan with a backup officer en route to the same location. What neither officer realizes is that their seemingly watertight plan is about to fall apart in an instant.
Hey, firm. It's on the east side of the building. I might be able to contain it because I'm north of it right now at the at-home parking lot. If we can get someone to come from the south end of the McDonald's. Is there one by the door? I believe so, yes.
141, I'll enter from the south. I was unable to see if it was occupied, but I'm at the entrance to the south.
10-4, I'll come in from the north.
10-4. Let me know when you're approaching.
I'm approaching, pulling in now.
Good job.
Get on the f***ing ground! Don't f***ing move! Foot pursuit northbound.
You trying to run with the food? Oh man, police don't like to run, man.
He just dropped the gun! He just dropped the gun, he's running!
You gonna get your ass whooped.
You're gonna get f***ing shot, dude! Get on the ground! Westbound through the lazy boy!
You gonna get shot. He ain't even putting the taser out. So you gonna get shot.
Round lazy boy, coming back out to Mayfair
Like to
eastbound.
run, boy. They gonna get you right.
Trust.
Though the pursuing
and he
officer
fell.
trips during the chase, he manages to share enough crucial details for a backup officer to take charge, just in time to stop Jelen from disappearing out of sight.
He just dropped the gun! He just dropped the gun, he's running! All signs head towards...
Right here! Black sweatshirt, green pants. Get on the f***ing ground!
Get him right.
Alright, I'm gonna roll on the ground.
Good
roll
tackle.
over. Head on the back.
Good tackle. My boy played
Hey, where's
football
this?
when he was young.
Don't move!
Look at that. Look at that. You see how he hit him center chest? Good tackle. Good tackle. Way to wrap up. Boom! Oh!
Get on the ground! Alright, I'm gonna roll! I'm on the ground, roll over! Head on the back! That kid was this. Don't move!
Last direction.
Taking him into custody.
The suspect who fled the scene is 21-year-old Jelen. What the officers don't know yet is that Jelen is a convicted felon with a history dating back to 2022 and 2023. In 2022, he was involved in a pursuit with a stolen vehicle, and in 2023, he was found in possession of a firearm as an adjudicated delinquent.
You like stolen cars?
Go. Drop the gun.
105 in custody, 3100 block Mayfair.
With Jelen finally in custody, officers began collecting evidence, but Jelen isn't done yet.
You got another gun on you? You got another gun? Yeah, bullshit. Shut up. Negative is just one for now.
Just one?
Yeah, just him.
Nice job. All clear?
Not yet. You just watched that?
Oh, he's on paper. Look at that.
Yeah, he f***ing dropped it right outside. You
Make sure that gun's secured.
almost got shot.
I don't know. Find out where it is.
Yeah, he dropped it right outside.
Roll over.
Yeah, I'm good.
Yeah, hold on. Yeah, come. I'm getting it right now, sir. Hold on, sir. Let me pick my pants.
No.
All right, that's cool.
Keep your hands out.
I am. My bad. I apologize.
Stop grabbing for shit.
I apologize. I'm finna get it right now. Give me a second.
Bend your knee up. Bend your knee up.
I'm sorry. Hold on.
Give up.
I'm sorry.
Stand up.
No, please carry me. Please.
No.
No, dude.
You're an adult. Let's go. You decided to run from the police.
I'm finna
Seriously?
get up. No, I'm finna get up, but don't. I ain't.
Something's probably gonna drop out of his pants or something. He trying to conceal something.
Separate your feet.
Thank you.
Let's go.
Here I come.
We're gonna walk to that car.
Which one?
Right there.
Yeah. Execution could have been better, but
Still a work in progress.
the implemento.
Anyone else? Slow it down.
Yeah, it was unoccupied when we cleaned it, but then he came out and opened the door. And he's like,
Bro, can you call somebody for me?
No.
No, I don't know them at all.
John almost got fucking shot. Oh. Yeah. Good? Yeah. Sorry, I wanted to stay back for that.
No, I mean, yeah, I saw it fucking come out. I was like, what the f? Hey, can you please grab my phone, sir?
Check those cuffs and double lock them for me.
What a weird set of circumstances. Why would you be doing legit business in a stolen car? It's not a polymer, no, it's a real Glock.
Yeah.
Nice.
But yeah, I started running, I saw that, and I'm like, I should probably do something.
Probably stick around.
Oh yeah, like he came out, went in, tried to reverse, realized it wasn't gonna happen, and then he got back out and then...
Man, I need to do more cardio like you. Hey, way to put that to work.
Dude, I can't believe it worked!
I know, man.
Fireworks gonna be so mad.
I know. Good shit.
After bringing Jelen to the station, one of the officers settles in to question him about the incident, only to be surprised when Jelen decides to flip the script.
So, you got out of McDonald's, you obviously saw us, right? Jumped in the car, tried to flee in the car, correct?
Yes, sir. I stepped in the vehicle, yes, sir.
Okay. To flee.
No, sir, not to flee, no, sir.
What would you get in the vehicle for?
I didn't.
And put it in reverse.
Sir, I just got in the vehicle. I thought you guys were going somewhere totally else, sir.
Well, I don't believe you because then you immediately got out and ran.
Yes,
So-
I ran because I'm a bracelet, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And you had a gun on you?
Allegedly.
Well, no, not a lot. Like, I physically saw the gun fall from your person. Don't fucking move!
Yes, sir.
Like, you literally took it out and dropped it on the ground along with the...
Yes, sir, allegedly.
Okay, so are you saying that you had a gun on you? Or did it just
No,
fall
sir,
from
I'm not
there?
saying I had a gun on me at all, sir.
So, did you have a gun on you? No. Okay. So why would you run if you didn't have a gun and you didn't flee? Why would you run?
Sir, you probably heard this multiple times, but I'm terrified of police officers. I had a cousin killed by you guys. No, he did not have a weapon. It wasn't Wauwatosa police.
Oh boy. Listen, if you're gonna talk, just talk. I mean, forget the BS. But you always have the right to remain silent. Don't say nothing at all. But saying this mumbo jumbo, it's like you wasting everybody's time. Like, for real. All it's gonna do is just piss somebody off.
Officers.
Well, that's good.
It wasn't exactly.
Well, not good. I'm sorry to hear that.
I understand what you're saying. That's why I didn't take it out of disrespect.
Whose car is that?
It's not my car, sir.
Whose is it?
I don't know, sir.
So you just don't know whose car you drive?
So that's the time where you guys saw me coming out. I didn't physically drive the car, but I did get in the driver's seat of the car.
Okay.
As Jelen tries to wiggle out of trouble, completely denying any involvement, he shifts gears and starts questioning the officer, almost as if he's the one conducting the interrogation.
I understand what you're saying.
So whose car was that you drove? Or that you got into?
I have no knowledge to it, sir.
So you don't know whose car that is?
No, sir, I have no knowledge to it, sir.
So you're just getting in a stranger's car?
No,
when you
sir.
saw us?
No, sir. No.
Because you got in, you just admitted to getting in the car.
I'm agreeing with you, sir. I'm agreeing with you.
Sure. So you got in. So either you got into a complete stranger's car randomly.
Yes, sir. I'm not saying.
Or you drove there.
I'm not.
In the Honda.
Next question, please. I have a question. What exactly are my charges at the moment?
Probably gonna get another bail jumping.
Where would the bail jumping come from? I'm not out on bail.
Oh well, do you have a PO?
Yes.
Okay, so it'd probably be a probation violation.
Okay, I understand.
And then you don't want to answer any statements about the gun.
No, sir.
Did you know that that car was stolen?
No, sir. I think we talked about it already.
Your flip flops? Dude, I don't know where they are. Because I know one went flying in the drive-thru. I don't know where the other one went.
How did you guys get like dispatched? What was going on? Like, I remember you did tell me that the car was stolen. So what did you guys like? I know you guys have cameras on the lights. Did y'all just like happen to see a light and say, okay, that's that stolen vehicle? I don't.
We have plate readers on our car.
Like, I don't know if dispatch is the right word.
Mm-hmm. That's the right word.
Like, how did you guys get to the point where it's, let's get this car, let's just chase this stolen car and box this stolen car and
We got an alert.
alert.
Mm-hmm.
Where would the alert, like, I'm curious, I'm just trying to see like how, like what the fuck even happened.
When nothing else works, Jelen makes one final
Yeah, he trying to figure out what's they systems and what's they protocols, so the next time he takes a car, he could become a better criminal. Because we know, based on his past, the two things that he likes the most is guns and stolen vehicles. So he's trying to educate himself, so that way he don't get caught a third time.
attempt by claiming that excessive force was used during the arrest. But by that point, the officer isn't buying it. Later, the Milwaukee Police Department confirms that the car Jelen was driving was in fact the stolen vehicle in question. Officers also retrieved the firearm from the scene that Jelen allegedly possessed. In the end, Jelen was transported to Milwaukee County Jail on the following charges: felony possession of a firearm by a convicted felon, and misdemeanor resisting obstructing an officer. Subsequently, his cash bond was set at $5,000, and his plea sentencing hearing is scheduled for August 11th, 2025.
Man, he's supposed to get some jail time. I ain't gonna lie. He's supposed to get some jail time, man. But we'll see what happens, man. Well, probably not. They don't fill us in on any of this stuff, but whatever. I think the officers did a good job. I give them 4 out of 5. Hunted him down. The one guy got out the car. Good tackle. Good form. Good form. Was able to retrieve the weapon and everything. Yeah. The only thing I didn't like was towards the end in the interview process, this dude turning it around as if he running the show. Nah, it don't work like that. But besides that, everything else did pretty good. How well do you think the officers did? Let me know in the comment section below, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.